Hi everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a small Amazon haul, but a project share. So I have been obsessed and I've created a whole bunch of things last night, and I wanted to come on and show you just because I was so excited. And I was enabled by my friend Olga, who is for the love of crafts, and she had bought these embroidery threads and needles to make those Pokey tools. And honestly, I had seen Serenity Creations, who's Anna here on YouTube and Instagram, post the tutorial, and I was like, oh, I have a Pokey tool. Then my friend posts a picture and I'm like, oh my god, I need to make them. And so I did. So I'm going to show you what I created. And I'm so excited. So I have a ton of bubblegum beads, you guys, in my stash, and I got a chance to finally put some use to it. Sometimes hoarding can be quite useful and I love it. I wanted to create my favorite pastels. This one I used a whole bunch of Prima pearls and I love how this came out. Again, super darling. This is the first one that I made. I actually did put some wood beads with my name on it because this is going to be all mine. And then here is a fun yellow number. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed. And this one I just made a little while ago, but again, super fun with a whole bunch of fun bubblegum beads. And I love them. Aren't they so cute? And I can't wait to gift them as Happy Mail gifts. And then to top it all off, I made another order on Amazon because I had been thinking about it and I'd seen Bona show it in a picture and I needed to recreate it. So these are earring hoops and they come in a pack of 100. So they come in 50 silver and 50 gold, which I loved. And basically they come like this. So it's very simple. There's nothing to it. It's just a little hoop. But I do love that there is two holes, one for the top and then one for the bottom. And I was so inspired, you guys. It was like a bead day for me yesterday. So I can't wait to show you what I created. So I made a whole bunch of different kinds. And you know what? If you have a charm stash, I think this is such a fun way to kind of incorporate a charm, a dangle, whatever's, and your beads at the same time. And I created a whole bunch in different colors. Honestly, I've just been kind of loving the garden party collection. So I stayed with the pastels. I have a little wire wrap here, so pretty. And then I went with some glass beads that I had in my stash. I love my little itty bitties, but look how pretty this charm is. And I think this would make such a great and fun little dangle to add to a project. Again, garden party, I had to make a little teacup number. And this one I went even further and I added just pink and mint seed beads. And look how itty bitty it is. But oh my god, it's so pretty. I wish I had the patience to do so much more of these. And then, I just added a whole bunch of word sentiments. Shine. I have a bunch of letter beads in my stash as well. And I thought this was a great way to incorporate my beads, my letters, my charms. I mean, it's a win-win in my opinion. So another pink and mint number, and here is another sentiment one, and I wrote the word sweet. Again, using a lot of my Prima pearls. I love the Prima pearls, especially the collections that Frank Garcia, he always stays with the pastels. Anyways, that is my quick haul and share video for you guys today. I hope you are inspired and want to recreate them. I will leave a link to Anna's video to make these Pokey tools. Again, they're super fun and a great little way to burn through your beads and send a little love to your pals. And I will leave links to the products information down below. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.